即睇啊！
The venue in the city has been phenomenal.
To have the privilege of being in this absolutely gorgeous venue, it's really quite special.
With this project, I'm at the right place.
對於觀眾嚟講，有驚喜嘅
科技，俾我哋可能有個更實在嘅 imagination。
即係成個空間都好似一個 new media， 會好期待呢度其他嘅可能性。
ArtTech 可以提升到觀眾可以有一個新嘅體驗咯。
俾佢感動到咯。
視覺藝術效果真係好有驚喜，
音響啦、燈光啦都係好高水平啦，好 entertaining。Really
visual and it's very immersive。
東九文化中心所有嘅設施先會令到我咁大膽，諗得咁遠嘅。
好玩啊，好用心啊
！Live movie 嘅形式去演出咯，係一個好難忘嘅一個經歷。